shopping channel, and today I came to visit one outlet called Riddhi Siddhi. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet. Totally 8 episodes are going to come. One episode will be saris and petticoat, and one more episode will be blousing and lining falls, and one more episode temple saris, blouse, navgraha. One more will be handkerchief and nets. One more episode will be shirts and dhotis, wedding sets. One more will be chudidar, shapewear and nighties. One more will be shawls and Shri Ram shawls. And this comes in a street called Empty Street near RT Street, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is Banaras Sweet House right opposite to me. You can just see there is a red color board, Banaras Sweet House. So this is a landmark. His Google Maps is there in description below. So when you come here, you have to just get inside this street like this. Just follow the location. So when you come little bit forward, you can just check one left will come. This is the first big left from Banaras Sweets. So this is a left. Inside this street like this you have to go. When you come little bit down, you can just check this is the landmark, Mariamma Temple. So this one landmark. So right nearby this, his outlet is there, and one more landmark is this Ganesh Sweet House. You can just have a look. This is also one landmark, Ganesh Sweet House. And when you come here a little bit, then you have to take this left. This is a left. Inside you have to take. So when you come little bit forward, you have to take this left. This is a dead end left, you can just see. And here his outlet is going to come, Riddhi Siddhi exclusive wholesale outlet. And totally this 6 floors, you can just check. This is so huge. All these things you will get over here. You can just have a look. And this is the address. You can just have a look. And here his outlet is there. So this outlet you can just have a look. Very big outlet. As I told you, all these products, 8 products, whatever I suggested you, everything you'll get total wholesale outlet. How much a piece you want, 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, readily available. Like this, they have more 2 outlets. That also I'm going to show you. Number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They are going to send you all the detail. Delivery worldwide is there. Delivery charges will be there. And this one more the outlet only. You can just check stock. They deal in multiple products, and just check this. Daily lot of parcel comes and goes to different part of India. Left, right, fully loaded outlet. And this one more floor, and just check the stock and the varieties left, right. Such a huge varieties you are having. And right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vijay, and he is his son Pratik. Hi sir, welcome to my show.
Hi.
Pratik, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
So we are wholesale traders in handloom saris, temple saris, blouse pieces, petticoats, ready-made blouse pieces, shirts, punches, all of the handloom varieties. And then we have curtains, we have wedding sets. So we have a lot more items.
Kerchief, nets.
Mosquito nets, kerchiefs, chudidars.
Nighties.
Yeah, so we deal with around 600
dupattas.
products.
Okay.
Nighties, dupattas and everything. So basically we have everything what a normal person needs in a day-to-day life.
Okay.
And also a medium range of all the wedding varieties.
Okay. And where and all your products will go?
These are all pan-India, and there are also people who buy from us and then they export it.
And how many years over for you in this business?
It's been 11 years now.
And how much they have to buy online and offline?
Minimum order value can be 3,000 and above.
And no single piece, no retail?
No single piece, no retail. Strictly no single piece, no retail.
And
only for the resellers.
What is the timing of your outlet?
So we open at 10 in the morning, and we are open till 8 in the night. We are not available on Sundays.
And what time to what time they can call you, video call you?
Anytime between 10 to 8, that's fine.
Okay. So Pratik, in this episode, what you are going to show right now?
So in this episode, we'll show you the handkerchief varieties what we have.
Handkerchief and nets, mosquito nets.
Handkerchief and mosquito nets.
Okay, and would you like to show any sample of your...
So we have a lot of varieties of handkerchiefs.
Okay,
So
in the starting price is what?
Starting prices start from 33 rupees dozen.
Okay, how many pieces will come in one?
12 pieces.
12 pieces.
Per packet, standard size, standard packing we have 12,
Okay.
12 pieces every packet.
Okay.
So this is 21 by 21 size. This is a bigger size. You can tie to your head,
Okay.
your face and everything.
Okay.
So we have light colors. We have checks. This is 24 by 24, even bigger size. We have white.
Okay.
Then we have different varieties in, again one more in checks.
Okay.
We have box pieces
Okay.
like these.
Okay.
We have white.
Cool.
We have light colors.
How many collections we have in kerchief?
Kerchiefs we deal with 35 to 40 varieties.
Okay, 35 to 40 varieties are there in kerchief.
Yeah.
These are just few samples. Even if you want 500,000 piece,
Pieces,
readily
quantity,
available.
how much ever you want is available.
Okay. And like this entire set they have to buy.
Yeah.
No single piece, no retail.
We have single piece boxes also.
Okay, like this.
Yeah.
These are premium ones.
These are premium. These are nice ones. See, dark white colors.
Okay, so these all are the kerchiefs. You can just have a look. Okay, cool. Next.
We also have tie and dye kerchiefs.
Okay.
They're very beautiful, fancy kerchiefs.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah. Then we have kerchief for kids.
Okay.
So these are the kerchiefs for kids. Printed kerchiefs.
Okay. This starts from what?
Kids kerchief starts from 84 rupees per dozen.
And how many varieties you will have in this?
Kids kerchief we have a lot of varieties. So we have, see, you have whites like this.
Okay.
And then we have...
For ladies also you have?
Yeah, ladies also we have.
Okay.
So I'll show you the... So these are for bikers.
Okay.
Scarves for bikers.
Okay.
These are scarves. See, you have a lot of printed scarves as well.
Okay.
See, one more type of printed scarf. So we have 2-3 qualities of scarf.
Okay.
Whatever is the budget, we have those scarves available here.
Okay.
So these are the ladies kerchiefs.
Okay. In ladies kerchief, what is the starting price?
34.
Okay. And how many collections you will have over here?
Ladies kerchief, we have 20 varieties in ladies kerchief. So there are big sizes, small sizes, plains, printed.
Okay.
So you can see this. So the borders also matter. Normal borders, roll borders.
Cool.
So those type of kerchiefs we have.
Start.
These are the tie and dye kerchiefs.
Okay. So you have basic and designer kerchiefs.
Yes.
Okay. And what about this?
So kerchiefs we cater to everyone's needs.
Okay.
So there is no one left out. We also have velvet kerchiefs for small newborn babies.
Okay. Very nice. Just see. And these are standard size.
These all are standard size kerchiefs.
Okay. Very nice.
I'll show you Ramraj. We also deal with Ramraj kerchiefs.
Okay. Oh, Ramraj kerchief is also there.
Yeah, Ramraj kerchiefs are there. See,
okay.
Light
This
color,
comes 3 in piece.
3 in 1. No, we have 3 in 1, 6 in 1. We also have kerchiefs which are...
Would you like to open and show one?
Yes, sure.
And what is the starting price in this?
Ramraj kerchief starting price is 140 rupees for 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
144 for 3.
140 for 3.
Oh, okay. Cool. So these all are the Ramraj kerchief. You can just have a look. In this also you will get a lot of varieties. How many varieties you have in this?
Ramraj kerchiefs we have 10 varieties.
10 varieties you will get.
Whatever variety Ramraj has.
Okay.
We deal with all the Ramraj kerchief varieties.
Okay. Cool. Yeah. So even if someone wants bulk in that, they can get.
Yes, they can get.
Okay. And apart from this?
Apart from this, kerchiefs, yeah. Dark colors are very nice. Then, as I told you, we have bigger sizes kerchiefs.
And these are the regular one. You can just see if you want like this also. Yeah. This kind of kerchief also you will get. These are the cotton one. You can just have a look. And like this you will have to buy set wise. Whatever is a set, like this you will have to buy 100, 500, 200. How much of a piece you want, you can buy. You can just have a look. These are also some collections of the kerchief. Lot of varieties are there. If you want plain also you can buy like this. You can just see. Nice collection you are getting for wholesale price. Again, these are few samples I am showing you. White color which I already showed you. And this also like this different colors will come. So how much of a piece you require, you will get at wholesale price. You are getting same thing outside. You will pay double price. Here you are getting for wholesale price. So any more detail, WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all the details. And if you want ladies kerchief, in ladies kerchiefs also you will have lot of option. I think more than 30-40 varieties in ladies kerchief you will get here. And how much of a piece you require, piece you will get here. You can just have a look. Number is on video screen. WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all detail. In bulk, how much you want, you will get. And at wholesale price you are getting. One for kids also. Like this entire set will come. You can just see 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 piece, 4 piece, whatever is there. Like this, these are the kids kerchief. You can just have a look. Kids kerchief you will get, ladies you will get, men's you will get. Everything for wholesale price you are getting. Lot of varieties are there. Just like this one piece I'll show you. You can just see like this. Wow, so beautiful, so amazing. Just see the print, everything very nice. So like this you will have to buy. In kids also few sample I'm just showing you. One piece. You can just see this also one more. So in this also you will get lot of varieties. This you can just see a teddy bear and all. Looks very nice. Quality is also good for the. And any more detail you can WhatsApp video call them. Worldwide delivery is there. Delivery charges will be there. So apart from this handkerchief, what and all, you'll get mosquito nets.
So mosquito nets and socks we have.
Okay.
Socks I'll show you later. First let's go to mosquito
Okay.
nets. Yeah.
And this all are customer orders.
Yeah, these all are custom. These all are ready to get dispatched. These nets are also removed for orders.
Okay.
So still I'll show you.
In this, what is the starting price?
Starting price in nets are 30 rupees.
30 rupees. Okay.
30 rupees. So and those are baby nets.
Okay. And would you like to show one sample by opening?
Yes.
Okay. So these all are the colors.
These all are the colors.
How many colors we'll get in mosquito nets?
We have around 7 to 8 colors.
Okay.
But one set will have 6 colors.
Okay.
So this is one of the basic nets. So this has a small lace in it. We also have one more which is even lesser price with it, which doesn't have any lace on it.
Okay.
I'll show you one.
Size what we'll get?
This is a single. So you have size 3x6, 4x6, 6x6, 6x8,
Okay.
7x7, 8x8. All sizes are readily available.
Okay. And there is no penetration. Mosquito cannot enter only.
No, definitely not.
Okay. Cool. Nice. 3 size you will get in this, no? You will get 3 size.
7 sizes.
7 sizes. Okay.
Yeah. This is the top.
Okay. Cool. And what did you tell starting prices?
20.
20 rupees. 30 rupees. That's it.
30 rupees. 20 rupees was a very small one. We have stopped doing that. We have got a better quality nets here.
So like this set wise will come colors.
Yeah, these are the set.
Okay. So like this you'll have to buy, no?
Yeah, like this only you have to buy.
Like this you'll have to buy set
Per
wise.
size 6 pieces.
6 pieces you'll have to buy different colors.
Yes.
No single piece, no retail.
I'll open one piece and I'll show you how these
Mosquito
nets are
nets.
basically, mosquito nets are basic.
Okay.
How they look. So these are huge. You can literally put it on your bed.
Okay.
So we have all the corners stitched properly. These are all ready to use. There are loops here.
And they are effective.
Yeah, 100% effective.
Okay.
There is zero penetration through these nets.
Okay.
See, this is the top.
Okay.
You have a good cotton
Okay.
at the bottom, so that you can, it falls down, so
Okay.
it doesn't wave with the air.
In this one standard size comes.
No. There are, so we start with 3x6, which is
Okay.
a single size. Then we have double, which is
Okay.
4x6. Then it's 6x6,
Okay.
6x8, 7x7, 8x8.
Okay.
And even bigger sizes, you can order it. We ourselves manufacture these nets.
Okay.
So you call us in the morning, tell us that you want this size, we'll get it ready within no time. Sizes. Then we have socks.
Okay.
So we have baby socks.
Okay.
So we'll start from baby socks.
Okay.
See, you can see these socks. Fur socks, they're proper, good quality socks.
Okay.
So you have fur outside, inside, just for the comfort of the baby.
Okay. In this, what is the starting price?
Starting price, so if you take per piece sizes, we have socks starting from 7 rupees, 8 rupees also.
Okay. Cool.
So you
So
see,
this for
these are the
babies.
figures. These for babies.
How many varieties will have in baby socks?
Baby socks, we have around 25 varieties.
25 varieties.
25
Okay.
varieties we have. So we keep socks only which are durable. We don't
Okay.
keep socks, which will not long more than a week or so.
Okay.
Only good durable stuff we have. So next we'll move on to the men's variety.
And what age to what age you will get socks here?
We have socks for everyone.
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 Okay.
Everyone. So you see, these are men's socks. These are the ankle socks we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
In this, any starting price?
Men's socks starts from 25 rupees.
25 rupees.
Yeah, 25 rupees
Okay.
only. And we also have full socks. We have loafer socks.
Okay.
I'll show you loafer socks.
So in this also, if someone wants in bulk, easily.
Yes. See, we have plain.
Okay.
We
And this
have
all they are
printed-
getting for wholesale price.
Wholesale price. These are all
Okay.
boxes. We sell only in boxes. We don't
Okay.
sell loose. So these are there. Then we have similar varieties in ladies also. And
Okay.
ladies, you also have thumb socks.
Okay.
So ladies, they need thumb socks.
Okay. So how many collections of socks you have here right now?
Socks we have in and around, we have around 60 to 70 varieties of socks.
60 to 70 varieties.
Easily.
Okay. And then?
Easily. Yeah, these are about the socks.
And you get
And
regular
next-
socks also, full one.
Yeah,
Regular full.
Yeah.
Okay.
Socks we have everything. There's not one variety
Okay.
of socks what we don't deal in. The only thing is we don't deal with those bulky woolen socks.
Okay.
That is not required much. So we deal with normal socks, but these also provide you the right amount of warmth and the cool what you want. Good ventilation basically.
Okay. Would you like to show any more socks for men's and
Yeah.
kids?
Sorry.
So you will get ankle fit, full sleeves, everything, full one.
Yes.
So these are also some socks. You
Sports
can just have a
socks.
look. Sports socks. So if you want socks, they have a lot of varieties here, a lot of collection is there. Starting price, it told you, and you will have to buy full box only.
Yes, full box.
Right? You will have to buy full box like
Definitely.
this. And if you want quantity also, they can get you quantity also. Whatever, how much you order for baby, for men, for ladies, you will get all the
So
socks.
for babies, we also have grippers below.
Okay.
For small babies, no?
Uh-huh.
So we have grippers, anti-skid grippers below the socks.
Okay.
All the socks have them.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about the risk of babies wearing socks.
Okay. So these are also sexes. Good.
Yeah, all.
Okay.
This whole.
So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having amazing collections of mosquito nets, handkerchiefs, socks. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.